We then have the intergenerational transmission of trauma. And this is when the trauma is really repeated through the generations. So I've often worked with people where grandparents abuse the parents, and then the parents abuse the children. And some of those children, by no means all, may be at risk of what we call harmful sexual behavior, where they may harm another child. So again, here, what we have is, it being transmitted through the generations and being normalized. That's all they know. So it is normal in their mind. The thing we have to remember with traumatic stressors is that the impact and the process of the adverse experiences they've had, the trauma they've had, is not homogeneous. Trauma and ACEs affect people very differently. And we need to be aware of that.